Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited as we are gonna try one of the best dish in Lippo Cikarang. I'm here right now at Ayola Hotel Lippo Cikarang and I'm so excited to try the dish. That is the iga garang asam, and it's really famous in here. And the other dish is the beef Wellington, which I haven't tried before in here, but they said it's really good. It's very delicious, fantastic. So we are gonna go to the kitchen and we're gonna try it, and we're gonna meet the chef, and we're just gonna give it a shot and see how they actually cook it in here. And I believe that it's gonna be really, really, absolutely delicious. Jadi sekarang kita mau coba masak iga garang asam ya hari ini. Dan ini adalah ingredients-nya. Nah, ini boleh diterangin chef apa-apa aja, Mbak?
Untuk kita ini iga garang asam untuk Ayola style ya. Ayola style kita pakai iga. Bahan dasarnya ada cabai, ada lengkuas, serai, daun jeruk sama bawang merah, bawang putih. Nah, ada ini pembedanya itu saus tomat.
Saus tomat, ya.
Biasa ada lada hitam sama garam. Sama mungkin sebelum dibakar nanti kita oleskan sama kecap manis.
Sama kecap manis. Oh, sebelum dibakar kecap manis ya. Kalau dan iganya apa harus spesifik seperti tenderloin atau apa?
Kalau untuk ini kebetulan kita pakai sistem cooking method di braise, jadi kita tetap pakai iga aja. Iga
biasa aja ya. Oke. Oke, kita coba mulai cooking ya.
Boleh.
Sekarang ya. Oke. Alright, let's go. Let's do it.
Tadi kita bumbu cabai, basic cabai merah, bawang, kita blend. Akhirnya kita pakai stok.
Kalau misalnya udah empuk, baru dibakar. Oh, oke.
Bakar, setelah dibakar, baru kita plating, dan kita pakai saus.
Kalau kayak begini, itu berapa lama pengerjaannya dari awal sampai selesai masak?
2 jam setengah lah,
2 jam setengah? 2 jam setengah ya.
Apinya kecil, tapi sedang ya.
So basically what they did right here is they braised the beef first into the hot pot, and then after that they're gonna take it out, they're gonna grill it, and they're gonna pour that beautiful sauce on top of it. So we're gonna take a look at it deeply after this. Got to take a look at the method of cooking. It's kind of different in here because when you braise it and you have to do it right in the right temperature, and then you can get that beautiful iga bakar. Because when you don't get to the right temperature, it's not going to be that soft. So it has to be really detailed. So even though that I'm wearing a mask right here, you can smell that beautiful, herbs in here, and it's just so perfect. And I can't wait to try it. And I bet it's going to be really delicious, definitely for that. All right, let's dig in. This is so good. Look at that. You can see everything is right here. All the tomato, the chilies, and the herbs, and the vegetables right there. I think it's I don't know what that is, but that looks good, like kuchai, something like chives. So look at the beef right here. Just put a little bit of those sauced inside, then just try to open it, and it's really soft. Look at that. It is really soft. It's so easy just to pull it off, and all of this beef. That's delicious. So I'm just gonna get some and then put some right here, and then put a little bit of the sauce on top of the rice, and I'm just gonna eat it. No kidding. That is really good. I didn't actually expect it to be this good. It's actually really good, and you can actually taste the whole herbs in there, like the chili, the tomato sauce, the tomato paste, and you know, the chives. You know what makes it really good is that it's not only like the taste of the sauce or the soup in here, but what makes it really good is that it has the broth of that beef in there, and you can actually taste it really deep, and it's just so detailed for that. It's fantastic, delicious. Can't wait to eat more. Hey guys, I'm actually waiting for my dinner right now. As I said earlier, it's beef Wellington, but apparently that the beef is not ready yet tonight. So it's gonna be tomorrow, so I'm gonna eat it for lunch, and I'm so excited for it. So tonight I'm gonna eat something else, and I know it is as much as delicious as it's gonna be tomorrow. So I can't wait for the food to come. And for my dinner tonight, I get a special menu of ayam, tahu, and sambal goreng. In short, that is the fried chicken, fried tofu, and delicious fried chili. Not forgetting to include sayur asam, or traditional sour tamarind soup. Now it's early in the morning. I had the best sleep last night, and now it's time for me to get my breakfast. They got a variety of menu here, starting from chicken, vegetables, noodles, and everything is absolutely delicious here. They got pastries, muffin and cakes, so you have a lot of selections in here to pick, and I bet you it tastes really good. So now I'm back in the kitchen again, and what we're trying to do is to get a beef Wellington to cook that beautiful and gorgeous beef Wellington. I bet it's gonna be really delicious, and I'm gonna take you step by step cooking in that, and we'll see that how we actually cook it in here and the method of cooking. Oke, hari ini kita mau bikin namanya beef Wellington. Nah, ini dengan Chef Jamil lagi kembali, dan sekarang boleh Chef diterangin kira-kira apa-apa aja bahan-bahannya.
Untuk basicnya ada beef ya, tenderloin untuk beefnya. Kita ada pastry, terus ada
Pastry
ati,
ya.
ada ati
Ya.
sama telur, ada krim, ada jamur juga untuk isiannya. Ada jamur, champignon, ada garam, lada, dan oil, minyak.
Okay, so right now we're gonna see a step-by-step method of how to cook this beef Wellington, and they have a special kind of way to cook it in here, and it's just really beautiful how to see it. So we're gonna take a look at it step by step, and perhaps you can make it at home too. It's really easy and simple. So let's do it. Let's cook.
Sampai matang. Teksturnya lebih lembut.
So after they put everything together in a pan, they put the liver and then the shallots, the garlic, and the button mushrooms in there. Everything is chopped and they saute together, and then they put it in the blender and they blend it all together. So everything will merge together and it creates a beautiful smell in there.
Now after 15 minutes in the oven, take it out and give it a rest for 8 minutes, and look how beautifully it turns out to be. Now we are ready to make the garnish. You can chop the potatoes into small pieces, and this way it'll cook faster. Now we are ready for the plating and put the garnish all together, including this delicious mashed potatoes. Finally, put that perfectly cooked beef Wellington and serve it well.
That's really good. All right, so it's a moment of truth. Let's just cut it out and we'll see if it's as good as it looks. So we're gonna cut it right here. Oh, it's really crispy. Look at that. Oh, that's really good. Look at that. That's perfect right there. I got the beef right here. Okay, we'll cut it right here, and you can see right there is actually not overcooked, but it has a redness in there, so it's really good. So, but most importantly is the taste. So let's see about the taste. That is really good. That is perfect. I love the pastry around it, and the meat itself is very tender. It's really nice, and they have the chicken liver as well, covered the pastry inside the pastry and covered the beef, and it's very delicious. And what's good about it is actually the broth, and this broth is really good that it's made of beef stock. And the mashed potatoes is really nice as well. It's not overcooked, it's very creamy, it's just perfect. And the carrots is really good as well. It's sweet and it's nice, and I like this, and the taste of the vegetables as well. It's really crispy, it's really good, it's just perfectly cooked. I really love the taste, especially the pastry right here. It's very soft and it's really crispy on the outside, and it's very tender on the inside.
And that is one hell of a dish, and I can guarantee you for my final menu, that is one of the best dishes I had. I really love this culinary experience today. Not only that I can taste all this delicious food, but I can learn from the best chef in the kitchen today. My favorite food for today, without a doubt, is the iga garang asam. It has a really unique, traditional Indonesian flavor that you can't really get it anywhere. However, the last and final dish that I had, beef Wellington, is also as delicious as the first one. It has a lot of flavors inside, the tastiness of the broth and the tenderness of the beef. And all these delicious food really want to make you come back even more. I also love the breakfast in this hotel. They have several selections including pastries and cakes, and it all tastes very delicious. So that concludes my culinary journey at Ayola Hotel Lippo Cikarang, and I'll definitely come back here again for more delicious and stunning dish.